Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Today, we're going to go a little bit further with our junk journal pages and signatures. And I have been collecting some tea bags and some seed packets, and we're going to go ahead and make pockets out of these seed packets. And then, coming up soon, we're going to make bookmarks out of thread. Very cool idea. And we can stuff these with our bookmarks. So let's go ahead. I've got some clear tea bags. Don't know if you can see that. And we're going to grab some pages and we're going to sew them on, then possibly put some washi tape around it to add a little bit of appeal as well. So let's take a piece of soft cardstock. It's not tough at all. And we're going to sew on a couple of, maybe let's go ahead and put some clear tea bags on this one. And I'm thinking, so maybe you can write behind it. We might do this that you can flip up. And if we're doing that, we might want to put a little paper tag, or maybe we'll use some washi tape on the side of it. So you know that's the side of the page. Better yet, we're going to use washi tape around two sides because it's a hidden secret note that you can write to yourself, because washi tape is removable. No matter how old it gets, you can still pull it up. At least in my experience, that is. Let me know if you know anything different. And we're going to put it down with two sides with washi tape. We're going to sew this side so that we can lift the washi tape to view the hidden message behind it. So I am excited. Let's go ahead and start sewing down some pages. And we're just taking our normal sewing machine. I'm going to put it on a zigzag stitch, very long length, but short, maybe a 2. And we're going to sew down one edge, and that's going to add a little bit of texture. I think I'll turn it up to a 3. And that way, let me pull this out of here, trim our threads, and show it to you. We're making clear pockets. So in essence, you've got a hidden tuck space as well as a hidden message space by me putting the washi tape as, let me pull that thread out of the way, as washi tape as part of it and stitching it down as the other part. And let me get a sheet of paper so you can see that we can, it's an open tea bag, empty pouch, and you can put notes in there as well. Okay, and let's go ahead. Sorry about that's my bank. They gave out free seeds. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some more frou-frou to different pages, and maybe this beautiful seed packet on the inside as well. What do you think? And let's see the length of that. I don't want to mess up the washi tape. Let's put that on the back page. So we can write all around it, but we'll have that seed packet as a nice pocket that we can put our notes, our tickets, our stubs inside of. So we're going to go ahead and sew around 3 sides. That's both sides and the bottom. And that way you have that beautiful stitch marks as well. I'm going to needle down, foot up, pivot, go across the bottom. Needle down, foot up, pivot, go across the left side. All right, and we'll pull that out, trim our threads, and show you how easy it is to make pockets using seed packets and empty tea, the bags that were around the tea bag. How do you say that? Like on my Earl Grey, you tear it open and you can cut these off nice and neat, or have it that beautiful jagged edge. Maybe even we want to take the tea bag and tear off the front side and have it lower than the back side. Let me do that for us so you can see what I mean. So we have that bag is a pocket, so we can put our tickets, our notes, our stubs, anything we want in there. And yet we got this beautiful coloration here. So I like that, and we're going to go ahead and sew this one down. And let's put it on another page, but I really like how that looks. If you're not liking the stitches, which I love, 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 love the stitches, we can go ahead on the back and just put some washi tape on top of it. And we're going to go ahead and take the washi tape on all 4 sides, and that makes it look like we have a square to journal in. So that's kind of fun too. You can use stickers, and again, washi tape is removable. So if you don't like where you stuck it, just pull it right back up and put it where you want it. Okay, so that makes a nice square on the back that you can journal in as well. What do you think? Okay, so that's one page. Let's go ahead. This is a book page that we have put a coffee stain sticker on over some writing, so that's a nice journal spot. We've torn one edge, another sticker with tea stain on it for holding there. And then I think we'll go ahead and probably this is where we'll use the one Earl Grey that we just tore off, and we're going to put it on this page because it looks like it matches really well. And maybe we're going to put one on the opposite side. We'll put a Lady Grey on the other side, and that way we sew with 3 lines and the stitches go through both bags and secure 2 pockets at the same time. And in essence, since we're putting tea bags, you actually have the pocket behind the tea bag and the insert of the tea bag. So that's 2 pockets on top of each other. Okay, needle down. Ooh, I ran out of thread. So let me nope, looks like I broke my thread. Maybe too quick stitching through too tight of a surface. And let me trim off the end, pop it back through the needle, and I'll show you what this double tea bag looks like real quick here. Okay, we're gonna go back. Oh, it doesn't like going through both at the same time. I'll just have to go slower. So I'm gonna put my needle down, pivot. Slow, 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 slow. Seems like I have one speed only. Okay, so let's pull that up, get that out of there. See how, oh my goodness, I really nested on the other side. Tensions. I did not change my tension from when I was sewing fabric and I'm sewing through thicker layers. So this side looks absolutely beautiful. Again, I have a double pocket. This is a seam ripper. I have the pocket that's inside of the bag, and I have the pocket that we've made behind the bag with having the stitches all the way around. Now on the other side, I've nested a couple of times. I'm not sure I mind, because it adds texture and they're not coming up, they're re-sewn on top of. So I think I'm going to leave them like that because they really add texture and I kind of like that. So you see again, we have the pocket behind the bag and the pocket that the bag creates right there. So there we have our next example of using some beautiful tea bags in the bags that the tea bag goes inside of on our journals. Now let's go ahead and put another couple of these. So once again, I have my cardstock. I folded it in half. I've torn off the sides, so I have that beautiful torn look. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my seed bags. Beautiful color, adds a pocket, and we're going to put one on the back and one on the front at the same time. So let's see if I can do this without changing my tension again. And this is where we really want to make sure that we have them fairly well lined up. needle down, foot up, pivot, looks good. Needle down, foot up, pivot, looks good. Okay, now these I don't think I'm going to put anything on top of. That blue kind of blends in with them. I like the thread look, the stitching look. I'm just going to trim all of my threads from this. And I hope you see that you can use so much found waste, because we've used these seeds. We planted these seeds, and now they make beautiful pocket holders for our bookmarks, our papers, our dreams, our reflections. And because this is a seed packet, you have a pocket there and then a pocket behind it. So that's pretty exciting. And maybe we can take a seed packet and then a half a seed packet and do another one. What do you think? So let's go ahead and set this one aside, because I'm very happy how that turned out. Don't know if I showed you the front and the back. So again, I think that's beautiful. And let's take another one. This is a very pretty piece. And oh, I already have pockets on the inside of this one. So I tore off one side. I have the pocket on the bottom, both sides. So let's leave that one be. This feels like a pocket as well. No, look at this. This is a nice place for a tuck. This is a tuck. It's sealed at the top, sealed at the bottom, and it's a tuck. So we can still add to this. Let's go ahead and put it over here, shall we? So we're going to take our seed packet. We're going to rip it approximately in half. Now, because we go around all three sides, we can actually use this as a pocket here, and then in the back, when we sew it to the page, it's going to be a second pocket, just like this will be a pocket because we're sewing across the bottom. So we can take these two, and we're going to put one here, and we're going to put the other one right over here. We're going to line them up just like we did the other one. Look how pretty that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. And that, my friends, is a seed packet. Old-fashioned seeds. So let's move our thread, and we're going to make sure we're kind of lined up there and sew that down. Make sure our packets stay there. And then sewing across the bottom, needle down, flip it around, and sewing up the sides. Okay, and needle up, pull it out, trim my threads. Not sure I caught the bottom, I did not. Okay, and let's cut these two threads. And then I can show you how beautiful this looks. Okay, so here we have the seed packet. And look at this piece I tore off, maybe. We can put that in the two pockets, and it's sewn at the bottom so it can't come out even though it was the top of the piece. And here we have the double pocket again. So very excited. Just wanted to show you, save your seed packets if you like to grow or your neighbor grows. Ask them to give you their seed packets because they add such beauty and such dimension to a junk journal, giving you additional pocket ideas. So I hope this has been beneficial and that you have enjoyed seeing my different pocket ideas. And you hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Come back, see what I'm up to next. And again, we're going to make bookmarks real soon, both out of paper with tassels, as well as making out of thread. Yay! Thank you, my friends. Have a great day.